Thanks for joining me while I try out the Vita Hustle One Protein Superfood. Should I say Vita Hustle because vitamins or Vita Hustle because my California accent? I don't know. We got chocolate here. We got vanilla. I'm going to try them both out. What drew me to this especially is on the front, big, bold, capitalized letters, Superfood Protein. And I do like to add extra protein into my diet however I can. This is plant-based protein and there's a lot of it, 20 grams in each serving. I'll be mixing it up with almond milk and giving it a good shake. It's got a total of 86 superfoods and nutrients, 20 grams of plant-based protein, 22 vitamins and minerals, MCT oil and omega-3, probiotic and prebiotics, adaptogens, and digestive enzyme. There's a lot in there. Even with all of those things, it mixed up really nicely. The aroma on these powders is very protein-like. It reminds me of pea protein especially, which I have had a good amount of in the past. You can also definitely smell the flavoring, the chocolate or the vanilla. And there's not just pea protein, there's quinoa and mung bean protein as well. Now there's some stuff that I'm really glad they left out of it. There's no dairy, there's no gluten, no artificial sweeteners or added sugar, no sugar alcohols, no soy, and it is non-GMO. Now bear in mind, I didn't really measure this because in real life I'm not going to measure it. I'm going to pour approximately a glass and I'm going to put approximately a scoop or two in. And did it work? Well, yeah, that actually tastes pretty good. The protein flavor is at the forefront. It's a bit malty, very chocolatey, definitely. I mean, it tastes like what you'd expect out of a protein shake. And the vanilla, similar. Very vanilla and protein at the front. And you can tell there's a little bit more to it, but that's especially what I taste. The texture is mostly smooth, a little bit of texture to it, as you'd expect. It goes down easy too. It's not something where you take a sip and you're like, I don't know if I can finish this. No, it's pretty easy to start and not really want to stop. Keep in mind, this is a supplement. They've got a disclaimer on it that says the statements have not been evaluated by the FDA, not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent anything. That's supplements for you. But I am impressed with the large variety of things that they do have in it, from vitamin A, C, D, and E, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, B12, biotin, calcium, iron, phosphorus, iodine, magnesium. I mean, there's all kinds of nutrients. You've got a little bit of apple, banana, camu, lemon, papaya, pineapple, elderberry, maquis, acai, blueberry. I mean, lots of fruits, vegetables, carrot, cauliflower, celery seed, barley grass, wheatgrass, alfalfa grass, kale, spinach, broccoli. And then the adaptogens. These things seem to be really popular these days. Ashwagandha especially, cordyceps, rhodiola, black pepper. And then vitalizing herbal blend. You got me here. Maca root, Panax ginseng extract, grapeseed extract, bamboo leaf extract, organic ginger root, ginkgo biloba, matcha green tea, fenugreek. Now the truth is, I can't really taste any of these exotic ingredients. I mostly taste protein and the flavoring. Overall, they taste pretty good. They're very drinkable and I love all the nutrients in it without having a bunch of sugar. Allergy note here, manufactured in a facility that processes milk, eggs, fish, crustacean, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, and soy. Not a meal replacement. Anyway, I liked these and I enjoy drinking them. I'll put a link in the description.